Hi class 5, welcome back to the mental arithmetic class. So today we are going to know another new thing, that is HCF. Have you known about that? Highest common factor. Now when we are comparing two people, suppose I am standing, another person is standing just beside me. Well, how we are going to find out, how you are going to recognize me, or how you are going to tally between each other? You have to find some common between two people. Suppose you and your brother is standing, so how we are going to understand that person is your brother or not? I am going to find some of the common thing, whether you have anything common in between, right? Similar thing we are going to find between two numbers, and then that is the reason we call it highest common factor. Now we have already known how to find the factors of the numbers, right? We have already learned in our earlier classes. Now we are going to find the common between them. For the first one, for that reason, we need to first split them out into their factors. Okay. Then what we are going to tally them, or we are going to find the common between those two numbers. Okay. So let's do the exercise number 23. That is page number 24, and I am going to show you some of the templates, and you have to do rest of it because ahead you have a weekend and you are going to complete it and submit me. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, here two number I have taken, that is 4 and 6. Now when we are splitting the 4 and 6 into its factors, how we are going to do it? 1 into 2 into 2, right? So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Once again, 1 into 2 into 3, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Okay. So what is the common between these two numbers? 1 is the common one and 2 is the common between these two, right? But 2 and 3, these two are different. So here, how we are going to write the HCF? So the HCF, or the highest common factor, is 1 into 2, that is 2. Okay. So this is how we do our HCF, and this method is called prime factorization method. Okay. So let's take another example, that is sum number D. Okay. Now here we are going to split 18. Okay. Now for splitting 18, we have known how to split it up. 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9. Okay. So here 1 into 2 into 3 into 3. Once again for 27, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. So here 1 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So here 3 3s are 9 and 3s are 27. So what is the common between them? 1 is common, 3 is common, another 3 is common. Okay. Therefore, we are going to write HCF as 1 into 3 into 3. Why? Because we have to find the highest common factor. So, we are going to multiply these three common numbers. Okay. So, 3 3s are 9, 9 1s are 9. So, 9 is the highest common factor. For number F, we are going to split it once again. So, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So, 2 13s are 26, and for 65, that is 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Okay. So, here 1 into 2 into 13. Once again 1 into 5 into 13. So, what is the common? This is very easy. That is 13 and 1. So, how we are going to find the HCF? That is 1 into 13. So, the answer is 13 itself. Coming to the next set of numbers, that is I, N and T. Okay. Now, we are going to split the 81. So, when we are splitting 81, we know okay. So, here 1 into 3 into 3 into 3, another 3. Okay. Now, split the 90. So, 3 3s are 9, 3 10s are 30 and 2 5s are 10. Okay, so here 1 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay, now what is the common one? Here 1 is the common, 3 is common, another 3 is common. So what can be its HCF? That is 3 into 3 into 1, that is 1 into 3 into 3, that is 9. Okay, so here 9 is the answer. For the 14, so 1 into 2 into 7. Okay, and in case of 49, there is 1 into 7 into 7. And here the common one is 7 and 1. So here HCF will be 1 into 7, that is 7 itself. Now coming to the last one. Okay, that is 40. So let's divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. So 2 10s are 20. 2 5s are 10. Now split the 100 once again together. We can write it down later. So 2 5s are 10 and 0 coming down. 2 25s are 50 and 5 5s are 25. So here 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 and 1 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Okay, so find out the common once again. 1, 2, 2 and 5 here. So therefore we can write that bigger the number, bigger will be its HCF. This is the roots. So here 1 into 2 into 2 into 5. So 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So 40 and 100, both of it will be divisible by 20 itself. So this is it for this class. And your homework will be to complete the exercise number 23 and 24 both. And we are going to see each other in our next video. So till then, be safe and thank you for watching.